hard yakka. That's what I have to do today. And this is what I have to clean. Getting rid of all these plants is hard yakka. And that is what you're going to learn today. So these bastards over here, they're building a train line and they are doing hard yakka. Even though it's not physically hard, they work 8 hours a day and they're go go go. That is hard yakka. G'day people, how you going? This is Glenn back with another Australian English word, and that is hard yakka. I've come inside because those bastards are bloody noisy. Can you hear it? Fucking jacking everything, digging holes and bloody making a bloody racket since about 6:30 this morning. Not too many are happy. Anyway, hard yakka just means hard work. So tomorrow I will be working hard. I'll be doing hard yakka at work. And hard, well, hard is an English word. It means not easy to do. And yakka comes from the, sorry, I'm looking at the computer as well. It comes from Yagara, or the Yagara language, which is also called the Turrbal language, which is a language indigenous to Australia that used to be spoken on near the border of coastal New South Wales and Queensland, so all the way up near the top end. Oh, another video, top end. Yeah, and apparently it means work in that language. It was adopted into Australian English. It's one of the small amount of actual words that were not an animal or a plant that were adopted into English. So it's a verb, to work. And it was taken into Australian English, well, don't know when, probably in the 1800s sometimes, because that language has been extinct probably since 1880s. That's just a guess. I'm not sure. And it just means you have to bloody work your ass off. So if I put in a sentence, tomorrow I'm going to do hard yakka. That just means tomorrow I'm going to work hard. So wherever you are, it doesn't matter what type of work. You could be a drug dealer, you're still doing hard yakka, because you're going out there, you're busting your ass to sell something. Or you could do telemarketing, 8 hours a day, you bust your ass trying to make sales. Yeah, I'm just thinking about work tomorrow. No one wants to do hard yakka. Screw that. No one ever gets rich by doing hard yakka. Work smart and work efficiently. Hooroo.